Imagine a massive digital marketplace where millions of people buy and sell tiny pieces of ownership in companies. These pieces are called shares. When a company wants to grow or fund new projects, it offers shares to the public through the stock exchange, giving investors a chance to participate in its future. The exchange itself doesn't buy or sell anything. Instead, it runs like an ultra-fast auction. Buyers place bids, the highest price they're willing to pay. Sellers' list asks, the lowest price they will accept. When a bid matches an ask, a trade is completed in milliseconds. This same marketplace spirit also influences related markets, where currencies like the USD, EUR, JPY, or commodities such as gold, silver, and crude oil are actively traded, often impacting investor confidence and stock movements. Prices rise when demand surges and fall when fewer people want a particular stock. Behind the scenes, sophisticated algorithms and market makers keep trading smooth, liquid, and fair. Investors access the exchange through brokers or apps. Companies gain vital capital. Investors gain the potential to build wealth as markets shift. In the end, the stock exchange is a living ecosystem, shaped by supply, demand, global currencies, valuable commodities, and millions of decisions happening every second.